Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, stir-fried chicken with baby corn. Very, very easy indeed. So what we're going to need for this is chicken breast, onions, garlic ginger, chili, sesame oil, soy sauce, and of course some baby corn. We start off with the sesame oil in a pan, add the garlic and ginger and the onions and let that go for about 3 minutes. Now everything we're doing is on a very high heat. Simply now add the chicken, a little bit of black pepper, and let's go for 4 more minutes, stirring all the time. In go our baby corn. I'm actually using one from a can. You can use fresh or frozen. And the chili, let's go for 3 more minutes. In goes that little bit of soy sauce, optional sesame seeds, which are really nice. Let that go for 2 more minutes and it's done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.